Hi guys, I'm back. And as promised, I'm going to do one more with some lines. Just because they're pretty and I like them, and probably really should just do like a dirty pour. I don't know. We'll do it. We'll do another. Maybe we'll do it in a different pattern or something, you know, kind of down this way or something like that. I don't know. So, again, using the same colors we were using. So, if you want to know what colors we're using, look at the last 2 videos. They'll be in there. So I'm trying to remember kind of what I have no earthly idea what the pattern was. So we're just going to do the best we can do here. I think we need some white. And then maybe a little bit of, I don't know if there was even any yellow in there, but I'm going to put yellow in there just because I like the yellow. That creamy yellow is pretty. So let's put a little bit more. Oh, we'll go ahead and put some phthalo on that yellow. I think that's, I hope that's what created that turquoise color, but I really don't know. So we're just going to go back and forth with the different colors until we get enough. I think it should be okay. Some more blue and some more yellow. Although it could be blue and orange, I don't know. Or it could just be the blue and the white. I don't know that either. So be careful because I've got these wet paintings sitting here. And if you've been watching me from the very beginning, you guys know how clumsy I am. I'm either dumping cups of paint over or dripping paint in my other paintings, or heaven forbid, I have dumped a painting in another painting before, so okay, I think that's enough. It's definitely plenty. We're going to move these up. Whoa, that was close. See, those are the kinds of things. I almost dumped that in my painting. Let's move everything out of the way carefully. Let's see, what are we going to do with this one? We're not going to just do a center one. Let's do this way. I know you can't see what I'm doing. I apologize. Just kind of going back and forth, tilting it one way and then tilting it back the other way. I don't want it to go over just yet. Okay, there we go. Ooh, it's pretty. Alright, so let's take it off of this corner here. Almost need a corner catcher, I think, for this. There we go. I need to get a palette knife real quick. So I can grab this corner. In case it comes back. There we go. Yeah, I feel like I need a corner catcher for this. Let's grab a corner catcher. Just in case, because it's not a ton of paint on there. I don't really want to lose all this pretty. There we go. Okay, so we gotta decide which side do we want to take it off of next. I think we'll do off of, well, that's a tough one. We'll do it off this side first. And canvas is great because I did a painting with black and it did not work out, so I just wiped it all off instead of rinsing it off. That way I could reuse the canvas the same day. There we go. Alright, one more side. That's actually looking pretty cool. I have to remember how we did this one. I do believe. There we go. There it is off of all sides. Let's bring it back, because we kind of lost some of our pattern there. Wow, look at that. Cool. Okay. I think we're going to leave it like that. There we go. Get this corner catcher out of the way before I accidentally put my corner catcher against my the edges of my painting. Sorry, I got distracted there. My Nora has come in. That's her washing her hands. She got sap all over her hands and didn't know how to get it off, so I was a little distracted. Okay, so I see on this side over here we got a little bit of where it didn't come down completely for some reason. So I'm just going to take some of the paint and kind of touch it to it, and hopefully it'll bring it down a little further. Some of it didn't come down all the way, so we're just going to kind of touch it along those edges and hope that it'll come down the rest of the way. There we go. Okay, I'm just kind of looking at the other sides here, scraping off the drips, because if you don't scrape off your drips, it can continue to pull your pattern down. So scrape that corner, and there we go. Okay, I'm going to torch it. Just to get the air bubbles out. Okay, out of all three of them, the last two that we did in this one's definitely my favorite. I think we're definitely going to have to try this sort of the way we did this again, I think. Alright, let's get you in for a close-up. Look how pretty those lines are right there. Pretty, look at that. Look at the pattern. How cool is that? Looks like little peacock feathers. And the way all the colors sort of mix together, all in happy harmony. And I like the way the little spots come up. Some people don't like those spots. I don't like them when it's just white spots. But when it's all different colored spots, it looks like you did it on purpose. Or, I don't know, maybe it doesn't, but it looks pretty to me. But I mean, look at all the different colors we've created. We've got purple in there. We didn't have purple. We've got lavender. We've got green. We've got peach. We've got pale, pale, pale pink. We've got turquoise. We've got pale green. I mean, come on. Look at all these different gorgeous colors. Look at that. It's so cool. Okay. Okay. Well, there's your pretty for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think I definitely want to do a few more like this. It's definitely my favorite out of all of them. We kind of just went willy-nilly with it, and it worked out. So the next one may be another one like this, just with maybe the rest, whatever the rest of those colors are, plus a few more. I think I haven't used any of the military green or that Porridge Posse paint purple. So we may use that in the next one and see if we can't get, I love these, you know, these fingers. They're so cool looking. They look like peacock feathers or something. Sort of, kind of. It's a stretch, but yeah, that's what I'm seeing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. If you guys aren't subscribers, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos and share them. Yeah, and thank you for watching the ads for me. I really greatly appreciate that. Every little thing that you do for my channel helps my channel grow. And as you guys can see, it does not grow very fast. So there's so much pouring out there now. You know, when I first started this, it was me and Anne-Marie Ritterhoff, Melly D, a few others. You know, I'm sorry I can't think of your names at the moment, but yeah, we all kind of started this at the very same time. I think I was like right after Anne-Marie. I watched her for a little while before I started doing videos, and I practiced a bit. But yeah, you know, we've been out here doing this for a while, so you know, who knows where it's gonna take us. I've got some really cool ideas, not for painting though, so you guys may see something completely different in the near future. I have always wanted to build my own lamp, and I've got some things that I have collected that I think I'm going to use, and I think it's going to turn out pretty cool, but it's not going to be any kind of painting. Other than there may be a little bit of spray paint involved. I don't know yet. Haven't decided. So if you guys like a little bit of adventure and a little bit of variety, stick with me, and we'll be doing a new project soon, and I hope you guys like it. I hope I'll be able to film it well enough for you guys to watch kind of what I'm doing. And it'll all be in my workshop, which is my absolute favorite place to be right now. And yeah, sorry for all the chatter, but you guys are my friends, and you know, during this pandemic crisis we're having right now, you know, we don't get to get out, so I gotta talk to you guys. All right, wherever you're on the planet, I hope you're having a happy, healthy week, and you're taking care of each other. I love you all. See you later. Bye.